Hi guys, and welcome to the Adventure Bite. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the perfect Instant Pot hard-boiled eggs. I used to struggle with hard-boiled eggs a lot. I'd always mess them up, and so I kind of made it my personal mission to figure out how to get exactly what I wanted with hard-boiled eggs. So I'm gonna show you how to do this in the Instant Pot. I really prefer to do it in the Instant Pot because it is kind of foolproof. It's almost not even a recipe, so it's very, very easy. The great thing about this is also if you like to get your eggs from the farm, this is my preferred way to cook them because they're a lot fresher when they come off the farm and it makes it a little bit harder to peel them if you do the pan method. But if you don't have an Instant Pot and you've ended up on this video, you can check out our other video here on how to make perfect hard-boiled eggs in a pan the foolproof way. But for today, let's jump in here. We want to add in 1 cup of hot water. You can do cold water, but it makes it go a lot faster to do it with hot water. You don't have to boil it or anything, just get the hottest tap water that you can. And then we've got the little basket in here, so just drop that down there. If you have the egg strainer that comes with the Instant Pot or you put one in there, you can also do that, but I just used the one that came with it. And then we have 12 just regular large eggs. Now, if you get jumbo eggs, keep that in mind that it's gonna take a little bit longer to cook. Also, if you get smaller eggs from a farm that aren't kind of standard size, they may cook a little bit faster. Now, I like to do my eggs at 6 to 8 minutes, depending on what I'm doing with the eggs. So if you want them for perfect deviled eggs, which you should definitely check out our deviled egg recipe, then you're gonna wanna do them at 8 minutes. If you are doing them for salad or you want something where the yolk is just a little bit softer, go between 6 and 7 minutes. Okay, so we've got those in there. You don't need to add anything to this, salt or vinegar or any of that stuff, baking powder, soda, just the water and the eggs. Then you're gonna make sure that this is set to sealing, not to venting. And then let's see here. You're just gonna hit pressure cook here, and you can see this was already at 8 minutes. I'm gonna do it for 7 minutes today because I want them a little bit more tender for what I'm doing. But if you want hard-boiled eggs, definitely do them at 8 minutes. All right, we will see you after these cook. It does take about 20 minutes for it to come up to pressure and then run the 6 to 8 minutes. So use this time, go do other stuff, and you don't have to worry about it at all, which is why this is my preferred way because I tend to forget the ones in the pan. So we'll see you back here in just a few minutes. Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so our Instant Pot is done and we are ready to release it. So the big thing is you either wanna use a nice thick towel or a hot mitt. You're gonna step back here and you're gonna release this to where the pressure comes off all the way there for the venting. There we go. Okay, so that's gonna come off. If you have cabinets that are close by to this, I recommend throwing the towel over it so it doesn't steam all over and damage your cabinets. But just make sure that you get that handled and let it kind of release there. The big thing is that we're not doing a natural pressure release. We are gonna release the vent. We're gonna get them out of here as quickly as possible. If you leave them in here and do a natural pressure release, you're gonna let them cook longer and potentially overcook them. So this is important to the timing of these getting done properly. Okay, we're just about done. It's important to let it fully vent off so that you don't accidentally, I don't know, it's a pressure cooker, right? Be safe here. Okay, so we just stop making noise. We're gonna use our towel here again and try to get this to release. Perfect. Open it away from your face. Again, you don't wanna open that right into there and get all that steam. And again, these are very hot, so use a slotted spoon. If you are concerned or you've got kids helping you, you can definitely have them hold this with a hot mitt. And then we're gonna put them right into an ice bath. Now this is very important to stop the cooking. You want to make sure they go into here and sit for at least 15 minutes. That's very important to let the shell kind of separate from the egg a little bit. The membrane's gonna tighten up in there from that cooling process. So once these are done, we will start to peel them. So we'll see you back here in just a few minutes after these have cooled down. Okay guys, we are done. The eggs have cooled down and they are ready to peel. So now all you're gonna do is just hit them on the side of something firm, start to peel just like this. If you've done your job right, as it looks like we have, they're gonna slip right off just like that. Super easy to peel. Beautiful for deviled eggs, for salads, for making egg salad, whatever it is that you are looking to do with them. This is my favorite way to get them done. Okay, look at that. Beautiful. All right, well, now comes the moment of truth. Let's see. It's pretty good. So, the yolk is cooked all the way through. It's got a nice firm white on the outside. These are gonna be perfect for any of your recipes. Well, eat the rest of this. All right, have a great day, you guys. We will see you in the next video. Make sure to check out our blog. Make sure to subscribe to our channel below, and we'll see you in the next video.